Sabah everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I am here at CES 2020 and we are definitely getting a chance here to look at the brand new OnePlus X McLaren edition. Now this is a concept phone that we'll probably never be able to buy, but it's hopefully going to be an inspiration to devices in 2020 for all of OnePlus line of devices. This is TK. Let's go ahead and check out the McLaren, well, the OnePlus X McLaren edition. So here we have the OnePlus X McLaren edition. This one is obviously in papaya orange, the famous and pretty much branded color that we've seen from OnePlus and McLaren collaborations ever since the OnePlus 6T from last year. Overall specifications for this device is going to be very similar to what we've seen with the OnePlus 7T Pro McLaren edition that's currently running on T-Mobile with 5G. So we're talking about the 855 Plus as well as the X55 modem. 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of internal storage, but you probably already noticed that those are not the very unique things that are basically we're here to see. The first thing that we'll definitely notice right there is that the back, we don't see any sensors, and that's talking about the invisible cameras that we have from the new device. And let's go ahead and turn on the actual device real quick. I'll go ahead and launch the camera, and you'll notice right away that the cameras ever so nicely show up. And that's due to the electrochromic coating that's in there between the two displays, well, two sheets of glass that gets charged to be able to go basically transparent and then go back to being basically fully foggy. Overall, the design itself is basically carrying the McLaren leather. This is very similar to the one we see in the car, of course, as well as the OnePlus logo and of course the OnePlus X McLaren edition present right here. Now, between the UI, overall, again, it's very similar to what we've seen before. What I do want to share with you guys real quick is the ability of actually having an ND filter built in to the actual device using the electrochromic glass that we have in the back. And that enables them to basically turn it on and basically provide us an ND filter for a smartphone. And that's something that we have not seen before. But other than that, we are running basically the Snapdragon, as I mentioned, 855 Plus, 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of internal storage. As I'm showing you guys right there, it looks very similar to the way the McLaren, the current McLaren edition 7T Pro is available. Let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think of the McLaren, well, the OnePlus X McLaren edition? This unfortunately is not a device that's going to be available, but hopefully at some point or another, we'll use the inspiration from this device to power the new devices of 2020 and even 2021. Like and subscribe as usual. Thank you very much for the support, and I'll see you guys in the next video.